If Discord is showing error 153, don't worry. This is usually a browser or app loading issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a couple of minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through the 2 easiest fixes step by step, so you can get Discord working properly again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get right into it. First, if you're using Discord in a browser, or even if you're trying to open content inside Discord, check for any anti-tracker or ad blocking extensions that may be interfering. Extensions like Bitdefender Anti-Tracker, uBlock Origin, or Privacy Badger can sometimes block the security headers that Discord or embedded content needs to load correctly. To test this, open your browser extensions menu and temporarily disable those extensions one by one. If you want to keep them enabled later, you can also whitelist Discord instead of turning the extension off completely. Once the blockers are disabled or Discord has been added to the allow list, refresh Discord and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. If you're still seeing error 153, the next step is to clear your browser or Discord cache. If you're using Discord in a browser, clear the browser cache, especially third-party cookies and cache data for both Discord and YouTube if relevant. These stored files can become corrupted or outdated and prevent Discord from loading content properly. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. If you're using the Discord desktop app instead, you'll want to clear the client cache manually. On Windows, open File Explorer and go to the Discord cache folder inside App Data. You can do this by typing %appdata %/discord/cache into the address bar, then delete the contents inside the cache folder. Don't worry, this will not delete your account or messages. It simply removes temporary files that may be causing the error. After that, restart Discord and test it again. In most cases, once you disable the blockers and clear the cache, error 153 should disappear and Discord should load normally. If the issue is still happening, try restarting your browser or computer as a final refresh step, then log back in and check again. This kind of error is often caused by something small in the background, so a clean restart can help apply the changes properly. And that's it. You now know how to fix Discord error 153 using 2 simple methods: disabling anti-trackers or ad blockers and clearing the browser or app cache. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.